in here, that's where my dog is scratching, right here. In the
She's been
Okay.
here all day, and that's where we're hearing it from. We're just not sure, like, if it's. See, originally I was thinking raccoons and positive, but I'm thinking it came from underneath the stairs over there. I just don't know. You have flashlights in this thing? Bob's all in.
Is she there? Oh my God.
Smile on. She's ready to roll.
Let me see her. Oh my God, what is that? So it's definitely where this water bottle is, that's where we hear it scratching. We hear it literally here.
Where's the water? Oh,
Well, then when she put the water bottle, that's where the dog is scratching. But it's
Like
coming out
literally
from.
sniffing,
It's in this
scratching,
wall,
barking.
definitely. So it's like here or here
But
or
I
down
feel
there.
like it's where you're standing, because I hear it scratching now.
down here,
I hear it here.
here, up
No,
here.
like right.
Oh, it's right here. I feel it.
You feel it?
Yep.
What do you mean you feel it? Oh my God.
No, I feel the wall moving. I feel the wall moving.
You feel it?
Yeah, yeah.
Stop.
Okay.
I'm dead. Wait. Hold on.
You need to go somewhere.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to.
Okay, we're gonna need to. But no, it's
Clean that out. Lisa, Mom, do it. Clean that out.
it's not coming through the wall right
Take the
now.
Stuff down.
Mom, get it.
Just pile it up on me.
Okay. Yeah. It's right there.
You think we can leave the shoes here for now or no?
Here,
Is
Mike.
that-
No, here's
So
the bag.
I need to go in a little above it because I don't want to take a chance of hurting it.
Here, Mike. You really feel it?
Yeah, yeah.
What do you mean?
I felt it too when I was feeling
Wait,
by
what are
that.
you feeling?
There's a thing in the wall. You can feel it like rubbing up against the wall.
Can you really?
Yes.
Come on, put
So
your
it's
hand
where
here.
you are or where the dog
It's
was?
in this wall. On the other side, she was feeling it.
Yeah.
It's right in there.
No way.
At least
So-
that's what we think. What she thinks.
So this
You
was
know,
easy for you to, sometimes you can't find it, right?
Oh, she's right there.
The other thing is,
Yeah.
if you come here and you feel right here, it's warm right here. Feel,
You
yeah.
think it's big?
No, take your glove off. Feel the difference in the.
Oh, up and down. It's warm, so you think it's like there.
It's right there.
Just one little squirrel is going to make that much warm?
Yes.
Or one big raccoon? Now, do you think he shuffled down? This.
Does that come
I want
out?
to take this glass out.
Yeah. Okay. Right here is warm.
How do you think you came in?
That I have no
I
clue.
looked on the side of the house, like I was thinking it came up from the floor.
Okay.
Heard it, right?
No, I don't want to hurt it.
No.
Did you make a hole yet?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Question. Go inside.
They are. They're in my room. I think they're in the room. They have the room.
Ooh,
The door. No.
they're not in here. They're walking. We're gonna see them.
That's too close to me.
That's a little square. Listen,
Yeah.
stop. You're too excited. Just reel it in. Just make a little square hole in your wheel.
A little deeper, and it's right there.
You see it?
Oh wait, just put a paw through. Hold on. I want to make sure it's not a
Is
raccoon.
the net ready?
Oh my God.
This is that. She's running. That's funny. Oh, that's really good, so I'm not gonna mess. Oh, that's good. Grab. You need to grab. And that's right here. We need to net it. All right, cool.
My mom said film it. She's in the bathroom.
I'm sorry. I'm trying to help her. She's help.
It's
Yeah.
Sadly, we're behind the door, so we can't have the door open if we want to run. You want me to grab it and pull it?
Nope, because I don't want your hand anywhere near here in case it's a raccoon.
Oh. Ah, could be a coon. Coons don't mess around.
Hold on. You know what? I have an idea.
Hi, little guy.
Okay, it's a squirrel.
It's a squirrel.
It's a squirrel?
It's a squirrel.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Do me a favor.
Yes.
Just go grab my net because I want to put it over the hole because in case he jumps out. Yeah. Great. Thank you. Hold on. Okay. Should be able to fit through there.
Come on, boy. You want peanut butter?
You can come out now.
Come on, I got nuts for you, boy.
You see him, Mike?
I didn't see him yet, but we hear him. He's scurrying around in there.
Do me a favor.
Yes. Want those gloves?
Yeah. Thank you.
Here we go. Well, let's see. You want to come here and video?
No. We'll video it. I'm good. We'll put it on a TikTok. Mike, you're videoing it?
Video.
Please bite
Oh,
me.
she's going in there.
I'm getting bitten.
Oh, yeah, she's getting.
I'm good. No, I'm gonna get bitten. I feel the position I have him in.
You want my glove? I know it's. Oh, there it is.
No, wait. Watch out. Watch out.
All right.
I got him in the net. Nope.
Okay. Hey, boy. You little troublemaker. You're going outside. You want the cage?
I just want to take a look. Make sure they're okay.
He's getting nipping. He's a big boy. Good
Okay.
job. Thank
You
you.
ready to go home?
You want me to get the net?
I got it.
I mean the cage? You put him
Nope.
in the cage?
Nope. I'm gonna let him go.
You gonna let him go?
Yep.
How are we gonna keep out of here? I thought he was gonna get me. He looks tired.
Yep.
You think he was stuck?
Oh yeah.
Like, how the hell did he get in there? We worried he came through there. But then, you want me to throw him some food?
Nope. He'll go.
Across the
He's gonna go hide. Okay.
Bite me or run away. He was like, just like, he didn't really fight. Like, we got in that net, a regular squirrel would be like,
Oh no, he was fighting.
but he wasn't so bad. You know, he would like, when she let him down, he like,
He'll be okay?
he didn't seem.
Do you think he'll be okay?
Yeah, he'll be fine. Can I just borrow your light for 1 second? I just need to get.
Want to stick it in there?
Okay.
Yeah.
I have another towel with me.
I'll get a towel. Hold on.
He has towels, so
This one has so many holes in it. I didn't
it's
realize.
been fitting up. We get you another towel if you'd like.
I can get you as many as you
Yeah, sure you would, Elizabeth. Come on, Sandy. Sandy Squirrel and her friends. You're not in Texas, Sandy. Oh, with the gloves, maybe.
I know, I know.
We're gonna help you, boy. Oh, this one's a fight. She has it.
Watch out.
Easy.
Watch out.
Easy. All right, give me the.
Where's he go? No,
He's
no.
doing it right. Oh, me! Get him, catch him. I'll get him. Give me the net. You got it?
Get it?
No. Bro. I'm gonna open this door. I'm gonna run out. He's under the couch. No, it's, it's hiding. But I got the door open, so if you want to open that door, open it. Or just open the door. The other door.
He's coming that way.
Open the door. No.
No, he went out that door. He's gone.
You got the other door?
Yep.
Saw it.
Yep.
This guy's video out there. You probably have the video of it running out. Check it.
Yeah, I have the video.
No, she has video too. Back door. Open the back door. Yes. Otherwise, maybe he's still around. She's clearing the squirrels. We're trying to find that out, Alyssa.
I think there may be.
There might be another one. They must have all wanted to help each other and they all got stuck. Unless they were running in and running out and they come in to sleep for the night.
Hard for me to tell.
That we have to find out. We're gonna have to get like a video scope to get down there.
I have one. I can go home and get it. I need it.
And just to figure out where they're coming from.
Oh yeah. Okay. So there's another one.
There's another one. Yeah, it's triplets. It's triplets.
Oh shit. This one though is
Big, small.
elsewhere.
Is what?
Oh shit. No, that's not. No, that's actually one of the ones in there lost a piece of their tail.
Oh, so they bit each other's tail off.
No, they didn't bite it. It looks like it got stuck.
So you want me to grab that tail?
I can take it out. Not a big deal.
There's a tail.
Yeah.
There's a squirrel and a tail.
But that is.
You want me to get that tail? There's a squirrel and a tail. You want me to get that tail? I mean, these gloves on. If they bite me, they're going to go.
No, there's no squirrel. It's just a tail.
Oh,
It's
it's a
the
tail.
tip of the tail.
Let me grab it.
I just want to make sure that there's nothing else. But yeah, that's it. It's clear.